You have received an offer from UWE Bristol. Here are 10 steps to get started. Step 1. Access the UWE Welcome Portal. You will receive an email containing the UWE ID and password to access the UWE Welcome Portal. It is important that you check the portal regularly, as there will be messages that prompt you to take action. For example, you will need to be aware of key dates, and some courses have an earlier deposit date. Step 2. Accept the offer. You will find the conditional or unconditional offer letter under My Application tab in the Welcome Portal. Please accept or decline the offer. At the point of accepting your offer, you will receive an invitation to register with CAS Shield. Do this straight away, as this will guide you through your CAS application. Besides, you will need to upload documents to the CAS Shield platform. Please note, you won't be able to apply for UWE accommodation if you do not accept the offer. Step 3. Apply for accommodation. Once you have accepted the offer, you will be invited to apply for accommodation. Please check the UWE website for more information on UWE managed accommodation and application details. Advice on private accommodation is available from the Advice Center.
Step 4. Upload documents. Students are required to upload the following documents to UWE Welcome Portal and CAS Shield: a scanned or clear photo of the ID page of your passport, all certified semester results, your final results, proof of deposit payment. The process for completing this payment will be explained next. Step 5. Pay the fee deposit. Please check your offer letter for your deposit amount. Please get in touch with your country manager or email to international@uwe.ac.uk for more information. Once you have firmly accepted your offer, then pay your deposit option will appear in the My Applications tab section of your UWE Welcome Portal. You must pay using the secure link, ideally from yourself or your parents' bank account. If you are sponsored by your government or you are receiving a US federal loan, you do not need to make a deposit payment. Sponsored students should upload a copy of their financial guarantee letter to the UWE Welcome Portal and CAS Shield, using the other option and labeling the document as sponsorship information. Step 6. Take tuberculosis test. Some international students from some countries will need to be tested for TB at one of the UKVI approved clinics before applying for a student visa. Please refer to the UKVI TB test information page to check if this information applies to you.
Step 7. Requesting your CAS. Confirmation of acceptance for studies. Once you have completed all of the actions above, we aim to provide your CAS preview within 1 week via the UWE Welcome Portal. It is your responsibility to check this document and confirm all details such as the spelling of your name, passport number, course dates, any scholarship or payment information are correct. Once the CAS has been issued and you have applied for your visa, any further changes can result in delays. Step 8. Apply for your visa. You are now ready to apply for your visa. You may get free visa assistance from your representative or agent, or contact international@uwe.ac.uk for advice. Step 9. Register for airport welcome services. UWE will provide airport welcome services at London Heathrow Airport. Please refer to the website or UWE Welcome Portal for more info. We strongly advise you to book your air ticket early, but only after your student visa is approved. Step 10. Keep up to date. We will provide you with more info leading up to your arrival at UWE Bristol. So make sure to check your emails regularly for updates and practical info. Thank you! We wish you an excellent experience at UWE Bristol.